Ni kadege Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai. Kabas kem bat biddor.
Kashlem ajing hikai ya kisamla pule jong kejela ya kapalatip kum ka Betheguide Motivational Coaching Organization kabadan ha Upper Lashmere Shillong. Kabaju ajing hikai kum ka Motivational Coaching ka Professional Trainer Entrepreneur Program bat ka Soft Skill kalapoi haka kerdan jong ka Top 100 haka Chief Minister's E-Champion Challenge kabalalong ha ubnai kalalangkot jong usnem arjar khat khandai bat ya kabalapun kut pat mentau usnem arjar arpo. Ya kashlem ajing hikai jong ka Betheguide la itu ru daga Meghalaya State Skill Development Society balapan trailing baka MSOP project ya ka balapej bat penyai daga IPE Global bat ka balayop diang ru ya ka khusnam naga Indian Leadership Icon Award arajar arpo naga Brand Opus India bat kumjo sa kawai pat ka khusnam ya ka balatip kum ka International Teachers Award haga puli puthi bat shushu kani kashlem ajing hikai kala shaji ru ban yop diang ya ka khusnam tip kum ka India's most fastest growing startup naka CIOLookIndia.com.
Kani ka Islam ajeng hikai kabangi lasdang ha ka snam arhajar khatra kabangi khot ka Betheguide Motivational Coaching Organization nisdang kani khasan terik jong banai rampang te kani ka jaka ajeng hikai kade kabangi la itu daga sarkar kami jong kari India katakan hapok jong ka MSMED Act 2006 ti yakani ka jaka ajeng hikai la itu ru daga Meghalaya Skills Development jong sarkar Meghalaya ka bahap hapok jong kani ka MSOP kani ka jaka ajeng hikai hali hikai ki kena om tangi ki kena ba ong ki kena school hendre kani ka de jaka bangi ajeng hikai ki working professionals bangi ong ki brio ki bala tre la kata nang ta pada ni ai ji kai ki kena ki bal wa ban yeng ban seng la ka jong ka kita ki bangi ong aktin hongwei ki entrepreneurs so hakani ka jaka ai ji kai jongi ni hikai mostly ni ai ki kena bakin nang ban sothu baka jingdan kam ya ka soft skills ka bangi ong mo komenta habon ki companies ki bangi le haki ni jaka trai ki bangi ya chani shatai ni ibet baki dan kam ki certificate kat ka bangkat habang ilet mo ban tap ki kam ki jam ni iba ki dan kam ba ki dan kam ki certificate ban pen shisha ya ki kena ba ki la pan dap ka jing puli ban pen shisha ba ki la dap ki la don ya ka experience henry habangi yat ban puli sha prang kum ka organization gidan ki researcher ki bangi ong ki nong wat banyak mo te gidan kum kita ki researcher ki la ba kibun na ki companies lane ki private companies lane hawat ha ki government officials ru kibri ki dan kam ha ya ki kena ki batep ya ka soft skills nawar ladang ila ka nu ru bangin ong bangi tre ya kam ban pen i da ka certificate henry kumnu ka ru kam pa fen tre kata ka pen i bat ka pen kiu ya fi te kani ka organization ka ba ni hikai ki kena ni ai ka platform ru ki kena bakin kiran bakin nuot ban kiran mentang ni mo bon ki kena khasi khamtam ngim nuot ban yeng hakmat bangin kiran pat ba menta haka di generation ka ba menta 21st generation ho ai ni ki kena kila kham shilot ndai kidang bon ki kena ban ong habaki yeng hakmat ban ai gata ka jing kiran kidang bon ki badang tiang bat ki badang khniu te kum ka organization ni wan bat ni yeng hakmat bangin ai kata ka platform ki kena bakin learn ya kata ka public speaking ka bangi ong ka kete pharen ni ong ka public speaking te ni iba ni dan ru ka wei ka thong mo ka bangi la ban ong ka thong kum ka organization ni dan ru ha ka bangi ko ban create ka motivational club haki school haki college club ban long haki office ru club ban long haki government office ki private office ma ni haki school ki college ki khna banta kila long kila kham long ban kila kham technology wise kila kham long technology kila kham na henry ban perthat igini ki ek ba fikiran ni ki ek belong hapreng jong ki soft skills hapreng jong kumno bakin choose ka career jong ki kala kham long ka ba menta ki khna la da fikiran la da fikli ki ek first thing ka ba ki de ban le ka long bakin search na google kata ka wei na baki khna ki le henry ka knowledge ka ba ki don na po kimla ban implement namar bele kila kimla ban pindon kam ya katu ka knowledge ka baki dan namar bele baki la long depend pelat hagi technologies te kum ka organization gistan baki khina ki de ban don yin na dut na la de namar bele ada fi la shisha ban kiran ada fi note ban kiran hakmat ki pa fi yang ka platform fi deliver ya ka speech ka jong pi ma fi pi ka jing kiran ka jong pi ada fi kiran fi note ban kiran hakmat jong ki brio te kalong kan yarap shisha ya pi ba hangno haba pi let du findan ka confident ba fin kiran te ni kum ka organization ni khat so bhai ki khna baki la ki dan shisha kum ka di hoi yamenta ki bun kin ong bakim dan kam hendri ngathrai bun na ki bala atre kin so thu bhai ka ni wada mangaru ngawan hangi daga jing bangam tip hendri ni learn ki ek bro khai suki number bele ni so thu ba ka soft skills is very kalong is very important ko bangi ong hapo akti no we te kalong ka baran kam shaba palat ba ngin tip ba ngin nam te ni don ru hakane ni don ru ki ja training ko bangi ai platform ki khna ki banang ban bakwa ban tray as a trainer ki dan ki khna ki badan sap shisha ban hikai mo kim dan lenti ban let ya ka bi kim dan lenti ban let ya ka dia let te kum ka organization ni yang hang ni hapo kum ka organization ba ngin ai lat ngin ai ka ta jaka ya pi ya ki khna barok khat bakin wan bakin tebet ya la de bakin long kita ki trainer te ngakir patru ba kum ki khna samla ngidang ibun kindawan hapo organization hoi kidan kita ka confident ma ki kran ki ya thok khana ki ya ki kran lada fade ibai nidan ka confident hende once bagila penyang khamat jong ki pat ba la ki bakin kran ka ja kata lut ya borok khat ngatrai kata ka long ka jai ki brio borok khat ndai tang ya ni ndai tang ya nu te kum ka organization ru kabin in jongi bangi kwa ban create kini ki professional trainer kalong ba ngi kwa kini ki professional trainer kin expose khnang ba kamin ka thong ka jong ni ka professional trainer kalong ba ni kum ka organization ni kwa ki khina ba kin long kita ki freelancer la shisni la dakim treshu bani kidan ka certificate bakin pen bakin ada ka professional trainer ti la shisni la daki yo as a freelancer bakin tresh ni shatai ban I training haki school haki college kila ban let kum kata to kade ka platform ki khna ha ka ba kila ban shim benta haki ni ki program te kum bangala ong ngidan ki motivational club kum juru ki motivational club te ngilale bun jaka ki school ki bangilale ki motivational club kawai kalau St Thomas bangilale recently kade St Thomas bangi one but nile ki motivational club ni shisha ba ki khna menta ki mlong show kum chuangi dong academic dong tang ka pulia kot ni pulia be kalau academic wise be hendai la dangi kiran pade ba ki khna menta kidan kan in every aspect kidan kami ki jaka ya ki jing pule mo ko bangi on ki jing tip tingi pet ya ki khina mentania kiran haki school haki college kinong hikai kim dan porsho menta bakin ban hikai lot everything ya ki khina ban ong ban batai lot na dong shadong khina na do ka jinglong jingman na do ka akwar ka buram kim dan porsho kum no ban guide ka career namar kum kinong hikai ki ki namar bakin pla ban pendep tangi ki course ru ti kum ka organization ni kerpat ni bat ni yang hang ni kum ka organization ban ong ban pen ba ka organization ka Betheguide ka dan ni kata ka motivational club ti ni dan ka wei ka aim ru ka jongi ka long ba ni kwa ban create ekani ka Shillong motivational club kata ka long ba yaki riu pat ba brokhat ti kata kadang yat kadang don ha kadang don ha ka process abangi mot ban penmi ya kani ka Shillong motivational club ha ka ba ki brio kila ban one bat kila ban ki ma kini ki brio ki public kila ban one ban ya kran bari thu khana ka bonding kala nila ban don ni ka jing so thu ibe ti kum ki khna samla ru kalong kimnadan kam ban ne chabar kimnadan kam bakin pelut kata ka pisa bakin na pule shabar kata ka public speaking ni dan kum kini ki organization kila ban join kini ki organization but kila ban tibet ila di hakini ki hakaliang ka soft skills
Debutai ini admission radio admission kalau benar di ai ka coaching
ngidan ngidan bon ki program ngidan la ki jang banga ong kadan ka motivational coaching program ngidan ya ka professional trainer program ngidan ro kumju ya ka entrepreneurship program te hangni ha organization ki jangi ngidan ki main program kita ka long lightly ki program ngidan kawai ka ba ni ong ka motivational coaching program ngidan kawai ka professional trainer program but kawai ka entrepreneurship program hakani ka motivational coaching program ya ka training ni le sa pus ni te ni le shi kan ta shi ni Monday to Friday te ya ka ka professional trainer pede ni le live post ni kani ru kumju ni le Monday to Friday kata kalong shi kan ta shi ni but kani ka entrepreneurship program pede ni le 45 days but ni le shi kan ta shi ni ya kani ru kumju ko ni le te benta since pangirang ni kani ka pandemic ngimla ban play ki office hendrai ngile ki online classes ki online mode nado ka jingsio nado ka classes ngile ka online mode te hakani ka online mode ngila ngidan ka website kata ka www.betheguide.net te hakani ka website la yo lo ki information barok hat te nalor jong kani ngidang dan ki program ki badan sansni ki dan ki ba khat sansni ki ba shiposni ki ba akosni kita ki program ki badan kita ki ha ki personality development program te yakini ki program ni airu through online mode but ni dan ru ik practical exams te benta bagi dang le ik online exams ki kena ki ha ban le ka video ki ha ban le ka video calling te ni yat be nama benta ki labun mo ki app ki baya hap ban le ki classes ku ka Google Classroom ru ni ala ban le benta te kam da shim jinjar engi bagi shim ki class namar kani likala khampen suk shu ki khna ki basa haki thanong kandong kala yarap shibon ki kimlan kam ban pelut ka bai kali ban wan shani hede ki le be ki online classes te tang kata hingi dan ki program kani ka admission hapo Betheguide ki dor ki long ki bala mo ki bala ba ki brio ban cardboard ban shim ki course te nata pede ki khina ki la ru ban one da ka installment basis la da kimna ban afford ban shim ya ka la da kimna ban save full amount ki la ban one da ka installment basis te ki khina hangi ru ngidan ru kum ka ni ka sodek sokan mo ki khina hadin ba ki la pendek full ya ka training kata la da ka desa kusni la da ki la pendek ka training ringkat bat kani ka certificate ni ai ro kani ka sodexo card kani ka sodexo card kadai ka ni ai ka cashback haki khnang ba kila ban pedon kam ha ka jaka ka ba kile tap petrol kile teaching theat online nata pade ringkat kita ki ek ibro khat ka dan ro ka insurance jongki te kani kala long mentoy bhai ki khna lada ki wan te kani ka recently ni dang shu launch ya kani te ki khna ki badang wan nang ni shakmat ki nang kin yo e kini ka privilege kani ka jing mentoy ma ko bangi ang te tangkat tahi tengah kerpat ki khna bakin daki kwa bakin join ki program kila ban visit nama mentangi dang le ki online training kila ban visit ka website kata ka www.betheguide.net
Lengba kani ka Shlem Aijing Hikai Uwei usamla pule barim jong ka Betheguide na ka Shnong Smith ulalong menta kum u franchisee da ka ba play ya ka Shnap Traikam hakabaya day bar ka Jing Aijing Hikai Shaki samla ki badan ha ka Thain Smith bar ka Thain Nongkrem
te ka kriting jonga di nang ma chaprang nongkla bat ngadi we ni pdengki khna bala pendep ya ka training lengba kani ka Betheguide motivational coaching organization hangni opo la shume ka jing sedang jonga banwan ni kani ka training kalong habunai August last year but ngala sedang ban join trei pat hangni na du ka tarik jung bunai ba khandai arjar khat khandai dei haba anda hadian hambang layo jing tip shapang kani ka Betheguide motivational coaching organization baka ailat yang namar pedang gajing kutlat kum usamla bai dei ba kam ka jam but pedang gajing khmi linti ya kata ka future ka jonga lani kalawe jonga kumno bangan an kintiu te dei hakat kum kata kapor bat nga ong ngala ban ong banglong ba don bok palat nama dei leng baga jingdon jong kani ka organization ka ba kumni kum bangalong mata dei leng baga jing yalam lenti bal dei leng baga jing trei ka bang yo ban trei hangni hapo ka organization dei dekat banang ya ki sngi ki por nga I baka don kam ba kum kini ki jaj organization kindon ru haki wei pat ki than haki wei pat ki jaka ki ba kham kendong jong kani ka jela mikhlaya hoi habangi phai chi bentai ki ba kham kendong ni kasem jin char shi bon habangi pe iki kam ki cham namar balai kata ka soft skills ka banyak kren nadu mene ka iduna shisha but haba ngilai pe ya kata ka jing idon kam te ngila phai khmat bangin play ka franchise hang tesmen haka lai phui tarik jong u banai bakhat arjar khat khandai de anda bangila play but ni ithu baki khna kita terang bat kita kuat syaban kentiu ialah ka jong ka sab ka phonglum ba ka soft skills mat hadian bekilawan ngiyo rupan yarap yaki khamtam ha by day bat kalian jong ka communication namar ka communication ka dei ka way na ka bentai jong ka soft skills bat abang ong communication kam damut than tamban keren henry kumno baki i ka jingya dei jong ki lahaki hayeng hasem ha ka shnong ka thaw bat khamtam hai ki chakatrei kata ka dei ka badon kam ha bat abangi phai lang baki than jong i bang phai chi khun samla lang baka than jong i shate ngila ban ong bah ka english ru ki duna bah but day lomba ka jingdon jong kani ka organization bangila banyarap namar balai ka ketian english la dangi phai hakani ka chup ka bangiem ka dei ka kentian ka bakungsan palat namar bahaki interview but ki week bentangi don kam banya keren daga ketian english ada ngimbyang hake english kamut tang hake interview ngila bandu lani ngila ban sha reject no nakataka kam ka bangidon.
My name is Santosh Sunar and I am the founder of Betheguide motivational coaching organization. Let me first of all tell you the journey of Betheguide since the time of its inception. The journey of Betheguide had been very much, fantastic and remarkable. We had been, doing a lot of stuffs. First important thing you need to understand this, while setting up the organization, it's always a Herculean task. It's a difficult task for any entrepreneurs. But today we are at the position where we have, done better than any other startups. What happened during this journey was that the first year it was only about promotion of Betheguide, and we never used any other offline marketing system. We used only social media marketing system, and that was the unique way of coming up into the business. Now the first year it was hiring of new people, hiring of getting business partners, getting platforms for everybody to speak, to engage with various partners over. Hence the first year it was, I should say, it was in fact a very tough journey for us. Second year it was wonderful. It was a smooth riding journey for us because we got a lot of responses from various people in Meghalaya itself. We have trained more than 2,000 candidates in Meghalaya, both professional training program and motivational coaching program as well. So now what I'm trying to understand is here, what I'm trying to tell you out here is this, that when any candidates or any people, they come here, what we have seen is this, they have lacked their vision. Now, lacking of vision gives us the, impression that these people needs to be reskilled, reshaped and rebuilt. And that is what we stand for. They need to be reskilled at any point of time. These days, you see many professionals are losing their, jobs. So now they need to, think something better. And we have those platforms, at least a platform where you can become self-employed. This pandemic crisis will never ever impact your professionalism. So that's why it's very, very much important for us to understand the importance of Betheguide. Betheguide has always been standing in reskilling the people all over Meghalaya. And we have been recognized by various, organizations. We have won many achievements. And this year, you could say that it has been a year of achievement for us, and year of recognition for us. The first one which we got was we were one of the top 100 winners in Chief Minister's E-Champion Challenge, which concluded in the month of January. Post which, we were surprised that our venture was also approved by MSDSS under MSOP project handled by IPE Global. That was our another recognition. The third important recognition was that we were awarded with the Indian Leadership Icon Award 2020 by Brand Office India. And this gave us more visibility, more visibility in terms of our services. The credibility of our services are really, really important. Then we are also waiting for another important recognition, that is on the line, and which comes in the month of December 2019. We have been also awarded for International Teaching Award in the education sector, delivering excellence in the education sector. Last but not the least, the most important achievement that we got was that we have been, nominated as the India's fastest growing startup, and we are going to also receive more recognitions in the years to come. So this journey, right from the inception till here, it has been remarkable. We have seen so many people who have been helping us around, and I'm really impressed with the people of Meghalaya, with the support that I have got during my journey during all this time. The future of Betheguide. If I have to speak about the future of Betheguide and how are we going to come out with different innovations or creativity, is that we will still be banking on reskilling the candidates, because soft skills are very, very much important. You have a job, you have hard skills, but if you don't have soft skills, it's difficult for you to get a job even in government sector. So this is where you need to realize the importance of soft skills. And that's why what we believe is soft skills is a sustaining business. It's a long-lasting business, and it is not going to die up, or it is not going to dry up very soon. Hence, we will be banking on this. The other important aspect is this: we want to create a motivational mall, a motivational museum, and a motivational library in order to help people to come out of all the problems, the depressions that they have. We are tweaking and fine-tuning our services so that people understands and people can take those services in a very easy manner. Because while I was hunting for motivational speaking program, I had to incur a lot of expenses on this, and I don't want people of Meghalaya to suffer in that manner. And hence, it is very, very much important for us to, being an entrepreneur, it's very much important that you need to think about the society plus the business as well. And thus, what happens is that we will be creating more jobs, more opportunities for people of Meghalaya. And this is what I say, that let's work together to make Meghalaya a place of enormous employment.